Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Really appreciate you stopping by. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers, so if you could smash that subscribe button, we'd greatly appreciate it. Scrapping last night and we went and dumped it off today and we got our new AC. Oh, the world is good again. So stop in, check us out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the support, and let's get to it. Hey, welcome back. It's a Tuesday night. We're gonna go see if we can get something in this trailer. Let's go do it. Welcome back to the channel. Big Tuesday night. I'm gonna fill this thing right up tonight. I can feel it. Yeah, that's how we're starting it out on a Tuesday night. Some grilling. We need some deep grilling action. Oh, these things are on there. Let's get the base. No time to waste, we just get the base. Hopefully we can fill this thing right on up tonight. That'd be great. What do we have here? These things are always cool. I like these. These are the ab wheels, so we're gonna take it. Even though I don't need it, I'm gonna take it anyway. Some little kicks, some water, Publix, broom. Hey, don't forget, name our broom is on. And I'll just take any, no contest here. Once one that is just it, then we'll be it. And that will be the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Not enough metal in that thing. Paints. What is that? It's all metal in there. We'll take it. Ooh, it's a little windy. Feel the wind on your face. Look at these little seats. They seem to be in good condition too. Bet you could get $1.02 for those. $1.03. Okay, we got some room in here because I took something out. Boom, let's go. That big old monster, huh? That's a big old TV. Alright, well, we're here. We are doing some scrapping. See if we can't get this thing filled up tonight. Not a bad start. Wonder if I should start taking TVs again. I'll take them if the metal is back. I mean, if the back is metal, the metal is back. I'm bringing metal back. Yeah. But yeah. I don't know. I hate to leave money on the table. But there's a big sign right out front of E&H that says no TVs. But it's probably more, you know, the old tube TVs. Let's go. Good excuse to go see Jeffy tomorrow. Boom, I like it. I like it a lot. Keep stacking. Just keep on stacking. We like that. All right, we got some metal here. We got some paintings. I am so up to my ears in pictures and paintings. I'm sorry. I cannot do it. When I tell you I am up to my ears. I think we have like 23 or 24 different pictures right now, paintings, just that I've listed. I have other ones that aren't even listed. Oh. Yeah, I thought they would sell a whole lot better. I mean, let's... Oh, look at that. Oh, that is it. Dude, it's so loud. Crazy loud. Feels like there's something in here. Oh, alright, drill. Take that. We like drills. Oh, more metal? Yes. Seems like it's working out to be one of those nights. A lot of little like bed metal and ooh. That's not metal. Metal bottom there. Some of that. All right, hello. Quick clean up here. Pin that down because we got a water heater. There is a water heater right there. What do we got here? What is the back side of this? Transformers, more than meets the eye. Yeah. Why not? Why not? It's one of those kind of nights. It's a why not kind of night. We're back. How y'all doing? Been a while. Hey, look, we got this big old chair. Big old metal base on it and all this other stuff. Yeah. Isn't that fun? What do you got in here? Don't smell very good. Look at us with the dryer. Frigid air dryer. This thing looks old. I'm gonna have to send my guy a picture before this thing comes off. This could be one of those. Although I don't know. I act like I know, but I literally have no idea what they want, what they don't want. So we'll send them pictures of everything. No need for the hand truck. We could even do a little team lift between me, you, and Scottish Magoo. All right, like that. So we still got a little bit of neighborhood to go. We could fill this trailer up tonight. That would be outstanding. There's still plenty of room. Ooh, yeah. I think my guy would definitely like this one. We have to find a spot for it though. Where's this person? They go right there. Definitely need to find a spot for it. Keep all the parts too. Oh, and it needs a gas cap. So it needs a little work. Needs a little work. Maybe some water in there. That's all right. Team lift on 3, 2, and 1. Big whoosh, swoosh, and poosh on the team lift. We do not need this sticking out like that. So now that we got her up, now we can just pick her up and go this way with it. And that way it's sticking over that edge. Boom. All right, there's another big bench shelf right over here. So let's grab that real quick before we strap anything down. Oh. What's up? That's what they said. What's up? Remember that commercial? It was the best, wasn't it? What's up? Alright, where's this gonna go? I mean, at some point... Boy, this thing is dirty nasty. Dirty, grimy nasty. Alright. Now that we got that situated, I guess right now we're going with the easy. Right there. Thing. Alright, let's go. Okay, well, I guess there's a lot of metal on this. There is some wood, but there's also a lot of metal. So, we're rolling with it here. Alright, we are in the fine places to put it stage. There's plenty of room, actually. It's just, we gotta try to be as efficient as we can. Just the way the stack went down tonight, it was a lot of awkward stuff. That sounds about right. Don't really care for this stack. I mean, but it is what it is, I guess. Take this stuff right down in here. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a bike. I think this is pretty much going to be shut down city though. We are right at the end of it. Not a whole lot of neighborhood left to go. Oh, and this camera is killing my neck tonight. So that's fun. I'm gonna steal this real quick. Boom, look at that little number. Now I'll take this, put this right there, take this, strap it down, Bobby Brown. All right, we will see you guys in the morning. Okay, good morning everybody. Good morning, and good morning. Let me take an overall just picture of this thing here. There you go. Unfortunately, some sad news. Sad news this morning. We lost a friend last night. Yesterday morning. We didn't find out until last night. Yeah, I've known the guy a while. About my age. Not sure what exactly happened. We just know that he passed. So it's kind of been, I don't know. Yeah. Tim and I weren't, you know, super close, but we talked a lot on Facebook. Always about sports. We're always we're arguing over like Jordan and Bird and Tom Brady. Yeah. Gonna miss those talks. So very sad, very sad, very sad. We're not gonna take you with us for this whole thing, but we did want to say, you know, rest in peace, Nick. Godspeed. As for us, we talked to our guy, and he don't want the dryer. He's like, dude, that thing's old. Yes, it is. So that is going in the pile. Pretty much everything else. We already took the lawnmower off at the house. So, and it is AC day. Woohoo! We have been waiting for this. I think I see some rust there. Yep, sticky. So, we will see you when we go see Jeffy. Look at this thing. What a mess. Team lift. Boom. All right, we will see you guys in a little bit. What is holding this thing up? All right, so yeah, you need the perfect abs. What? You need the perfect abs.
I kind of have a six-pack. I kind of have a six-pack right now.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that thing. I think you should put that on.
How you doing? Hi.
You got some good grass.
Yeah. Ah, that helps. Right now, do one. You ready to do one?
You ready to do one?
No, you are.
Oh no, I'm not that flexible.
I'll go over my knees. Yeah.
Look at him. He's dedicated.
This thing's like spring loaded though. Look at this.
That's pretty cool. You should sell that.
I'm gonna sell that.
Yeah, your yard sale.
I could just use it.
3 water heaters.
2. Oh yeah, 3. Yeah, little lizard. What's up, lizard? All right, yo. This is you too, right?
Not the motor.
How about, does that thing go pounds or take away the pound?
Yep.
Oh! It's on fire. All right, Joe.
One of my subscribers said they don't speak good English and they would like to know if I will put subtitles.
Oh.
I don't know how I would do that.
I think it's something.
Because you have to read and you're not watching what's happening. Okay? I think it would be distracting.
That's how some people do it, though. They don't understand the words coming out of your face.
I know. But
You know?
everybody else?
What about them?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah. I don't know. One of my buddies says that when he watches mine, subtitles are there. But I never did anything like to put them there.
Yeah, you do yours not on YouTube. You do yours on your little website, and then you go to, right?
No?
Or you do it in Filmora?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. I think I'm gonna Google that.
Google what? The
How?
subtitles?
Yeah.
It's right in when you go to do the video. I think it's right down there on the bottom left. What's up, brother?
Where you going? He's scared of the camera.
Good for him.
I know.
I'm scared of this camera.
Alright, say bye, world.
Bye, world. All right, so we've been riding around with this flag. So we're gonna go recycle it real quick. Right up here, this is the guy I'm meeting, and then we gotta run off, go look at a job. All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. The old AC is all ripped out. It is done, gonzo. It did its time. There you go, nice. Here's a little unit for us to break down. Nice quality install. Look at that. Nice spray foam right up the wall. Nice and pretty. I like it. I like it. They did a good job. Good job. So got a nice little new disconnect there. New pad on the outside. Then come in here. Dun dun dun. Whole new inside unit. Looking good, looking beautiful. Happy, happy. Joy is joy. There's a hole right there. I know that's where they stick it into the, but they should have covered that. So I'm gonna have to call them about that. Or we'll get something just to cover that thing up. Alright, well, yes, that's good. So we're gonna wrap this video up now. That's it. That's a whole day. We didn't bring you in much today. I was not feeling the best today, so let's just wrap this thing up and be done. All right, everybody, that's the end of the day. Let's get into the ticket. Tin, we had 1080 and tin. Irony all light, 12 pounds. Brass unclean, 2 pounds. Electric motors, 1 pound. And we forgot the battery. I gotta do that. I gotta remember the battery. They owe me a battery for tomorrow. So that came out to 1,095 pounds. Woohoo! Almost 1,100 pounds for a total of 70.02. The spam calls have just been out of control today. So anyway, that was the total for the day, 70.02. We didn't really do much. We did have that lawnmower. My guy's gonna take that, so we got 2 lawnmowers on deck, ready to go. So let's get into the quote of the day. Quote of the day: time waits for no one. Do what brings you joy. Be with those you love, and stay present in each moment. Life moves by so quickly. Make sure you value every day for the treasure that it is. Today's not a long episode. It's just I've been down and out today. As I said earlier, we lost a friend yesterday, very unexpectedly. He's probably about my age, 44, 45, 46, something like that. He had been sick with like pneumonia or something like that, but he was still moving around. He was still posting on Facebook. Me and him talked on Facebook all the time. Mostly arguing about sports, but arguing in a good way. So he will be sorely missed, and I've just been kind of out of it today, so that's why you're getting a short video today. So if I was to say anything, hug the ones you love, you know, because just blink of an eye they could be gone. So there is no us without you. Team lift is more than just physical, so if you can help somebody, anybody, somebody in your life, give them a hug, you know, they just may need it. So we will catch you guys on the next one. Better days coming. So it's just what it is for today. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for riding along with us. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great night. Hug somebody you love. Bye.